Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up Rockspace AC2100 Wi-Fi range extender. The Rockspace AC2100 is a dual-band Wi-Fi extender designed to boost your router's signal and eliminate dead zones. It supports speeds up to 2100 megabits per second. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug the Rockspace AC2100 Wi-Fi extender into a wall outlet. Wait 60-90 seconds until the power LED is solid. Open Wi-Fi on your device and connect to the extender's default network, typically Rockspace_EXT, or similar shown on the label. If it asks for a password, check the sticker/label on the extender. Many units are open by default during setup. Tip: if your device says no internet, that's normal at this stage. Open a browser and go to http://re.rockspace.local. If that doesn't load, try http://192.168.0.254. If your browser warns about no internet, choose proceed or use the site anyway. You're configuring a local page. On first use, most units ask you to create a new admin password. This is not your Wi-Fi password, just for this extender's dashboard. If it asks for existing credentials, check the label. On many units it's admin/admin. Choose repeater/extender mode if prompted. Tap scan to search for nearby Wi-Fi networks. You'll see your router's 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz SIDs. Select the 2.4 GHz SSID and enter its password. Select the 5 GHz SSID and enter its password. If your router has one, some use a single SSID for both. If your router uses one SSID for both bands, Smart Connect, you may see it only once. Just select it and continue. You can copy the same name as your router, seamless roaming, or create new names, e.g., home_2.4_ext and home_5G_ext. Keeping names different makes it easier to pick 5 GHz, faster, shorter range, versus 2.4 GHz, slower, longer range. The extender will reuse your router's Wi-Fi password unless you change it here. Recommended, keep it the same. Click Save, Finish, Apply. The extender will reboot and connect to your router. This can take 1 to 2 minutes. LEDs should change to indicate a successful link, often solid or green. Unplug and move it to a spot about halfway between your router and the dead zone. Your extender is now ready to use. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.